This is a kit for those who prefer it when everything is at hand. Packaged in a genuine leather pouch, this fire-making kit can be easily attached to your belt. On the back of the pouch, there's a large enough loop for use with even the widest of hunting belts. The pouch has 3 compartments, the main one for pieces of flint and dry kindling, and 2 smaller ones for your steel striker and tinderbox. The clasp on the pouch is decorated with an impression in the shape of an old steel striker. If you wear a sheath, holster or any other equipment around your waist and would like to choose a pouch to add to your kit, we offer this pouch in 3 different colours: light brown, dark brown and black. And in this kit, you'll find 2 bundles of jute twine, which you'll need when preparing your dry kindling, a large forged steel striker, the length of the one in this kit is 3 inches, 2 pieces of flint. When you strike the flint with your steel striker, sparks will be produced. These sparks will fall onto your tinder, which will then begin to smoulder. There's also a tinderbox made of tin with 30 pieces of charcloth tinder carefully placed inside. 1 piece ought to be enough for you to make a fire, and later on you can use the box and any natural cotton or linen fabric to make more tinder over a fire. This option would be a great addition to the kit of any hunter or fisherman. It would also be a wonderful kit for anyone who loves to travel or relax in the countryside.